Diagnosing HIV weeks earlier than standard tests. That's the goal of research coming out of Boise State. These researchers, including undergraduate students, are creating an at-home test that can detect HIV just 3 days after the initial infection. 6 on Your Side's Jessica Taylor joins us in studio with the details on this revolutionary HIV research happening at Boise State.
Typically, to diagnose an individual with HIV, doctors have to wait weeks or months for the body to produce antibodies as a reaction to the virus. This new at-home test being created at Boise State can identify the virus weeks before that by finding the virus particles in the blood. Current HIV testing methods can take weeks to months for identification. Research at Boise State University is speeding up that timeline by a lot.
We're developing a test to test right away, within 3 days of that infection.
It will be an at-home blood test to study the RNA, where the actual virus particles are in the blood.
One of the difficulties with sexually transmitted disease testing now is we're often looking for the body's response. That's how we test for HIV, for example. We don't look for the actual organism, this small virus that can be in your blood. Instead, we wait for your body to react and create antibodies.
Waiting for your body to react and create those antibodies to test is what causes that delay in identification, as they take weeks to form.
If we can push that time of testing down to very soon after you've been infected, have an at-home test that people can take, they'll know quickly what their status is.
Looking at those virus particles are Boise State biology and computer science students. Studying the RNA sequences will give the researchers information on each individual's specific response to the infection.
All going to depend on what kind of quality nucleic acid we can get from these dried blood spots.
Their lab timeline is rapid. The Idaho Department of Commerce awarded the researchers a 1-year grant, and molecular testing labs based in Washington are helping them make their work commercially available.
But we've got our corporate partners and our medical doctor in place, and we have a student in computer science and one here in biology ready to go.
Studying RNA is no easy task for the researchers since it's more unstable than DNA, but they're not scared of a little hard work to unlock more answers.
You just get unpredictable results, and that's where you really get a chance to do all of your learning.
Methods of HIV prevention include PrEP, which is a daily pill to help prevent HIV-negative individuals from getting HIV. The BSU researchers tell me that in order to get on that medication, you have to be tested regularly, and the new at-home test can potentially get more at-risk individuals on PrEP quicker. Reporting live in studio, Jessica Taylor, 6 on Your Side.